Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you all of my fidgets. So I have one that I've been playing with right now, and I'm sitting at a desk. So I have a drawer of my fidgets. We have this bouncy ball that lights up. We got this slime. We got my rainbow poppet. And I got these little things with tokens from a restaurant, and I like to pop my poppet with it. You see, a few. So yeah, we have those. I have a bird one, of those, but it's in the other container, and I have another poppet. So that's what I'm talking about. Poppet. And we have, these are all the little ones that fit in a container. We have a squishy. We have 3 moochies, an elephant, a squirrel, and a sea star. And we have another one of those popper things. These are from a restaurant, so don't go look hunting for them because they're only at a restaurant. We have a pom-pom because it's squishy, counts as a fidget. We have another thing of slime that's on the top. This. And we have a yo-yo. And we have this whale that when you squeeze it, the eyes go out. And we have a crusty slime in here. We have this DIY poppet, dimple I made. This one got messed up, so I never did it, so yeah. And we have Play-Doh. And I have a little notebook in here for fidget checks to make sure I have all of them. So for the baby fidgets, I call these all baby fidgets because, like, what else do you call them? All of them in there. So I'm going to put all my stuff back in. Not all of it because not all of it fits. So, yeah. Oh, and here's the little pop things. So I'm going to put those away, but I'll keep the slime out because I'm playing with the slime. But yeah, let's do the fidget check because we have all of them. So. Okay, got all those back in here. Now let's do the fidget checking. Here, I forgot one from yesterday that I have. Okay. Okay. Play-Doh. Check. Poppets. Check. Baby fidgets. Check. And slime. Check. Okay, so that's all. We're checking the baby fidgets, so we did that. And now we are going to play with the slime. It's kind of like one of those watery ones. So yeah. And we are going to just show you guys my slime for right now. Comment down below if I should paint my fingernails again, I'm not sure if I should, because it could make a mess. Oh, that thing is my microphone! So, yeah. We're going to put some chapstick on. Where'd that chapstick? Oh, here it is. If you go to my night routine, so I'm going to post a second one, but not the one with my sister. The one with the num-nums. So the first night routine. This is a Skittle wild berry strawberry flavored. I like how it really smells. It's like really good. Let's see what we could do. Comment down below what I should do next. What I should do for the next video. I can show you guys how to make bracelets. I got a little slime on my notebook. Close my notebook, but I'm not using it right now. I have stencils. They're a type of pencil. And we're going to put my markers away because I was drawing and coloring them. So yeah. And where should I put them? I can put them in this pan box with all of these. Oh, this one fell on the ground. Okay, got them all in there. Now we're going to put them away. Put a couple of heart stickers on them. Putting heart stickers on there. Okay, so put this away. One of my drawers. And I'm going to put my notebook away because I'm not drawing anymore. And I'll tell you what we're going to do next. As soon as I'm done clearing up my notebook. Oh yeah, I'm going to show you guys me making rubber band bracelets. You'll need little rubber bands for this. Not the braces one because those are too tight, but you could try. I suppose you could try. Found a notebook. Put it on my desk. Put my panda stuffy there. Put my face mask there. Put this extra rubber band in my trash. And voila. So we have my slime container, which that's fine because I'm playing with the slime. And get this orange container open. So rubber bands like this. I'm gonna dump them out because we're gonna use most of them. I'm not. And you'll need hooks like this. Any kind of hook that's any hook that will close it, or you could tie it, but it's kind of hard to tie it if you go with me. So we're gonna get 3, and I'll show you the 2-way. So you're gonna want to take band A, put it on your finger, then take it, twist it, put it